Okay, let's see if this works. Um, like, we're gonna add a doggy. So we go to new project and we'll type in the new doggy. And then we're gonna publish that. Oh, actually, we can go down here and do dogs in the project categories. And then we'll save that by publishing it. And then we're gonna use the Divi Builder, the purple button. And once that loads, we're gonna select one of our other doggies to use as a template. Choose a pre-made layout. It's in the middle there. Oops, gotta reload again. Click that. And then we'll go to your existing pages up here in the purple bar. And I'll just select Manny because, Manny Monday. Use this layout. And now we're going to save that again. We'll click update. And this is going to be a new animal. So we have to set the featured image. And we'll just do this one for some reason. Babe too, it said. And then I often save, so we'll update that again. And as you can recall, this is the back end view of the Divi Builder, but we're going to wait till that saves and we're going to go to View Project up here in the top bar. And then we're going to enable the Visual Builder. And we're going to change both of these images to the new doggy. It's got to be use the same image for each one. One of them is the mobile view. Oops, that one. Click the green check mark to, then we're gonna say, gonna change the name to Babe. And we're gonna click this text block here. And we're gonna put some blah, blah, blah in there. We'll click the green check mark. And down here, we're gonna add more of his portfolio here. And check mark. Change this Manny picture to the Babe picture. We'll click the green check mark. And then, as you know, we had to click on each one of these individual things. Let's pretend this is a female, even though it might not be. I don't know. I'm pretending. And let's just say we changed all those. And then we'll save it by clicking, you can either click this purple thing here to save without exiting. Over here on the far right, you click save, the green button. And then we can exit the visual builder. And normally would ask you if you want to save it, but we already just did. And there it is. And there's the new doggy added right there. That's how you do it. So let's go back to the back end here. Let's go to projects. Let's remove the new doggy one. So we'll just trash it right here in the last one that we just did, and that is erased. So let's say a doggy's adopted and it's Roxy. So we can do a quick edit here and we can change it from dogs to adopted and click update. But I'm going to go back in there because we don't want to do that and I'll forget probably. So that again. But that's all you have to do to change it to an adopted animal. But once it's already been adopted, then we have to go into that. Well, let's click Joy that's adopted. Let's view project. And as you can recall, we changed this button, Hua, and we took out all the detailed information. And then we saved it. That's all there is to it. Oh, you have to enable Visual Builder to do that. So let's do that. Enable Visual Builder. This would normally say email Laura. We'll just click the button here and go to the library for the other button, and it's Poofa. Use this module. It's the same button again. Just get rid of one of them. Exit Visual Builder, save and exit. What else did we do? That's about it, I guess. Then you can, if you want to, we can sign out by logging off right there in the upper right-hand corner. And then just erase the URL and go back to the site, and there you are, the lovely website.